Hey guys, thanks for checking in here. Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at XLF here, and I want to point out a couple of things here that are going to be key for you to watch here in the near term to be able to make some moves on XLF, and it's actually also going to have a big impact on the market direction because if financials are heading lower, typically the market will head lower as well, or at least it will drag the market to a slower pace. So we're going to look at XLF, the chart here. We're looking about a year of action. So what I want to point out is first and foremost, we've got this trend line that we broke over right here. Okay, we had this trend line, boom, boom, boom. We broke over it right here, and look at where we bounced at, right off of this trend line. Okay, so we've got that going for it. The other thing I want to point out too is that we are making higher highs and higher lows. So I'll zoom in a little bit right here. So what I mean by that, and I'll move my face out of the way a little bit, is we've got a low right here. We've got another low right here. And this is obviously higher than this low. And then we've got another low right here, and this low is higher than this low right here. All right, very, very key action. Okay. The other thing too that I want to point out is that we reclaimed the 21-day moving average. Okay, last time that we lost the 21-day exponential moving average, we broke below it here, and then we reclaimed it right here. And look at that kind of move that we saw right here. Big up move. Now we just retraced a little bit, and we reclaimed it again, and I am expecting higher prices after that. So that's the lows, okay, higher lows right there. The other thing is we also have higher highs. Here's a high, here's a higher high, another higher high, and then another higher high right there. So we've got higher highs, higher lows, and I'll zoom in a little bit too to the more recent action, and we've also got higher highs going on as well, because this is a little high that we have right here, a little bit of resistance that you can clearly see right there. You see that it knocked into it right there, and there, and there, and here we are knocking into it again. But then today we closed over that level right here. So again, not saying that XLF and financials are going to kind of rocket ship higher from here, but you do have to give the benefit of the doubt to the bulls here at this point in time, because higher highs, higher lows in both the short term and the longer term picture as well. So a good kind of reference point is about 27 bucks, or even just that 21-day exponential moving average. So this is a really good, I know a lot of people use different moving averages, the 20-day, the 10-day, the 11-day, whatever. But I have found that a really good indicator of an actual trend is the 21-day exponential moving average. You can see here clearly, broke over here, it really guided us higher. You can see it bounced right off of it right here, and then we broke below it obviously here, and then there. And if you just follow this 21-day exponential moving average, you know, it's not going to be perfect, and it's not going to stay above the 21-day moving average the whole time. But when it reclaims it, you can see it really, really indicates a good trend indicator for this particular instrument. Actually, for any stock or ETF as well. So that's kind of what I'm watching. I wanted to hold the 21-day exponential moving average, higher highs, higher lows. You get the picture, but definitely not bearish here on XLF. Of course, if we break this low, that to me would be a sign that we could be headed lower, but we're obviously nowhere near doing that just yet, and all hands on board on a bullish scenario. So that's all I got for XLF for you today and the financials. If you have any questions about what I discussed in this video, please feel free to reach out to me. I love talking shop and answering questions if you have them. If you have questions about joining us here at thetradinganalyst.com and getting real-time alerts anytime I enter a position or exit a position, I'll text you with my exact entry and exit price, along with so many other member features. So if you have any questions about that, or you want to just check it out, visit us at the website www.thetradinganalyst.com. Have a great rest of your day. See you guys next time.